To enable margin on Robinhood, you first need to understand what margin is and how it works. Margin is essentially a loan from Robinhood that allows you to buy more stocks or assets than you could with just the cash in your account. This can be a powerful tool for investors, but it also comes with significant risks, including the potential to lose more money than you initially invested. To get started with enabling margin on Robinhood, you will need to have a Robinhood account. If you do not already have one, you can sign up for free on the Robinhood website or through their mobile app. Once you have an account, you will need to apply for a Robinhood Gold account, which is the account type that allows you to use margin. To apply for Robinhood Gold, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the account settings. From there, you can select the option to upgrade to Robinhood Gold. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the margin account and provide some additional information, such as your income and net worth. After you have applied for Robinhood Gold, Robinhood will review your application and determine whether to approve you for margin. This process typically takes a few days, but it can take longer in some cases. If your application is approved, you will receive an email from Robinhood with instructions on how to start using margin in your account. Once you have been approved for margin, you can start using it to buy stocks and other assets. To do this, simply navigate to the trade screen in your Robinhood app and select the stock or asset you want to buy. You will see an option to use margin to fund the purchase. Keep in mind that using margin will increase your potential returns, but it also increases your potential losses. It is also important to understand the fees associated with using margin on Robinhood. Robinhood charges interest on margin loans, and the interest rate will vary depending on the size of your loan and the current market conditions. You can find the current interest rates on the Robinhood website. In addition to the interest charges, you should also be aware of the maintenance requirements for margin accounts. This means that you will need to maintain a certain level of equity in your account, typically 25% of the total value of your assets. If your equity falls below this level, you may receive a margin call, which requires you to deposit more cash or sell some of your assets to bring your equity back up to the required level. In conclusion, enabling margin on Robinhood can be a powerful tool for investors, but it requires careful consideration and a thorough understanding of the risks and fees involved. By following these steps and doing your research, you can make informed decisions about whether to use margin in your investment strategy.